In today's video, guys, I will be teaching you another game that you can play to earn inside the Bitgame, and this is called Between. And if you haven't subscribed into my channel, please do subscribe into the bottom part of this video, and also click that ring notification bell so that you will get an update whenever I release a new video. So let's just jump right into it. So again, Bitgame is a online gaming platform, the #1 online gaming platform, wherein you can play different kinds of games, and also you can play some sports betting. So this sports betting is that you are picking which teams that you want to choose, and if you win, you will get some portion of your profits. And they have an online casino feature wherein everything is inside. You can play it all. They do have 1,000 games actually here. And into this video per se, okay, we will focus on Between. Okay, so for you to be able to play the game, just go forward into the games tab over here and then type in Between. Okay, so after you've done that, guys, let me just go back into this video, guys. So this is what I've done when I'm creating this a while ago. So into this part over here, okay, for you to be able to play this, okay, what you just need to do is you need to, let me just adjust it real quick for you guys. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. Okay, so what you just need to do here is go forward into this portion over here. So the #1 is you can drag the wine glass icon to adjust the value of your current bet, and then you just need to click the start dealing. And after that, okay, there will be some cards that will be opened, and you can actually pick if you want to double your betting chance, but this is more like the multiplier. So you just need to click this for you to draw and see what will be the result. So as you can see here, this is just a 5-minute video because I started with $100 to be freaking honest, and I've made it to 150 in just few minutes. And what's good here is that you can play it whether you have a USDT fund, whether you have a BNB, or you have an Ethereum or anything, and you're just going to draw it and just wait what will be the result. So you see here, I think I lost on this because there is no in between, because there should be some same part over here. Okay, so I'm going to try my luck doubling my my stake, so that if I win, I get my loss before. Okay, and at this part over here, I won because I got these two same what do you call that, I do got those same numbers as well. So I just need to draw it again, and you see I got this part over here, and you're just going to click the draw, and you're just going to wait for the results. So the thing here is that once you got those two over here, there will be two cards that will be displayed into this tab over here. Okay, so that it will finalize the result. So at this part also, okay, you cannot control what's going to appear into your end. Okay, so this one is triple diamonds, that's why I won this USDT. And I think via this part over here, I already doubled every single stuff that I have here. So into this case, I've bet more than 4 what do you call that, 4 USD, and I won that 2.5 multiplier, which I've made more than $10 just that easily. And at this part over here, I also won. Okay, so I also won another part. So at this part, which this is like the breaking stuff over here. Okay, I've staked more than 20 USDT for this, And in at this part over here, I see that the multiplier is so high, and that is the reason that I didn't double on this, because I know that I will lose at this. So I've tried it again, and what happened here is that I still lost. I lost another one, and that's pretty much okay, right? At this part over here, I still lost. As you can see, my funds here was like 187, but 87. But at this thing over here, okay, what happened here is that I felt that this is more like my game because the multiplier is so low as well. And what happened here is that I've got the in between, and I got 62.14 USD, which sells me from 100 USD to 150 almost USDT real quick. And I just really take some like one more round for me to finalize everything, and I've got like an easy 150 USD in just more likely 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Okay, so in my case here, I'm pretty much satisfied and everything. So I'm going to withdraw this. So this is the proof that I've made it, or it is working. So first of all, I had to log in into my Binance. So if you are having a Binance into your mobile, you're just going to scan it via QR code. So at this part over here, I am scanning it, and going into this dashboard, you're just going to look at the overview and then click the spot section and look for your USDT coin, and then click the deposit. And after you've done that, just select TRX network, and then copy this, then go back into your Bitgame withdrawal dashboard, and then paste the withdrawal address and type in the amount as well. Also, as you can see here, I changed my address into TRC20. The reason is that you are using TRX before, so you should input as well the TRX address into this part over here. So you need to enter your fund password, and then just click the send code, and you will be redirected into your email. Okay, your email. So you need to go into your email and then copy paste this verification code. Okay, and after you've done that, guys, just put the correct code inside this, and after that, okay, just click the withdraw, and then you will have this kind of application has completed. So let's now go back at this part over here. Okay, let's go back at this part. Okay, so at this Bitgame over here, okay, there is a LUT token that I want to show, or I want to share with you. So this LUT light paper is something that you should always look for. Okay, so let me just copy it. Okay, and then go into this part over here, and then you can see that this is the roadmap, this is the tokenomics. So this LUT token inside Bitgame, okay, you might probably know that you can get this via playing inside Bitgame, and you can use this for you to be able to get when you are staking. But there's also a dividend portion over here. So depending on how many LUT tokens that you have, you will have this. You can receive this USDT dividends. I think this is every quarterly. So there is actually a new method of or a new name for getting LUT token, and that is predictive mining. So at predictive mining, you see here, you will going to get this if you are going to play inside Bitgame. So this is entirely free, and you will get this free loot. And I've already got this because I've played I've played few games inside Bitgame, and this is entirely free. Okay. The good thing also here is that there is a holding dividends, like what I've said to you. Once you have LUT tokens, you are entitled to get some USDT token as well. And also there is an auction feature. So this is the auction feature. So you can bid here on how many LUT tokens that you have. And if you won, you will get this BTC. Now, if someone outbids you, you will receive your LOT back to you. Okay, so there's actually no loss here. Okay, when you're bidding, and that's pretty much a good way for you to be able to maximize your profits as well. Okay, so if you are a new player here in Bitgame, okay, you can always deposit it, and you are entitled with 50% deposit bonus on your first one. Okay, so this is limited up to 500 USD for the bonus. So you can take advantage of it. You can place maybe $1,000 on this, and you will get 500 USD even more. Okay, so that will also increase your stakes, and also what do you call that? Increase your chances to win. Okay, and they do have actually a bounty campaign. So this is 5 million loot, so which is equivalent to $200,000. So this is a Bitgame bounty campaign. So for you to be able to go to the bounty page, just go forward here. So this has a 12 weeks what they call that? 12 weeks direction, and this is the spreadsheet for those people that are qualified into this bonus or to this bounty campaign. So for you to be able to join here, okay, into this bounty campaign, you need to play, you need to bet, you need to mine or anything. Just do anything inside the game, and you will have this what they call that, this chances to win inside this. Okay, so the general rules is that all participants should join the official Telegram channel. Also, participant should have an account on bitgame.com. There's no KYC required here, and any offensive or inappropriate behavior will lead you into the disqualification. Multiple accounts are not also allowed. Accounts with negative trust are not allowed to participate also into the bounty. And you need to publish a post into this thread to confirm your participation. So this is like the sample of these of the thread, so that you know what you are going to do. And after you've done that, guys, you need to fill out the Google form. Okay, so this is the Google form. I think I've shared it to you. Okay, this part over here, I think this is only into the view only, but you can also request for an edit access, I think, into this part over here. And after you've done that, guys, you are now eligible. So this is this will be finished at December 9. So you have a lot of time for you to be able to participate and increase your chances to win as well. Okay, so let's just wait for a few more minutes for our money to be what do you call that, to reflect inside our Bitgame, and see you on the next few minutes.